So regarding EFF and its open border policy, Umelo raises 4 points to justify why EFF supports open borders. So firstly, Ati, everyone who hates the EFF uses this open border policy to justify their hate for the EFF. Ati, regardless of this policy, abantu will still find a reason to hate the EFF. And the la partially I agree because 2018, when EFF was still pushing for land expropriation, abantu used to say EFF ufuna ukuthi sifane neZimbabwe, EFF isibuyisele emuva sofana neZimbabwe when we take back the land, using writing to justify their hate for EFF. Even namanje, while EFF is pushing for the legalization of sex work, the legalization of prostitution, but like dialing on itself is a controversial stance. So even the police ngokwayo can create reasons why abantu might hate EFF. Secondly, most of abantu are Afrophobic. Labantu laba are Afrophobic. They don't hate foreigners, they hate black foreigners. Because EDA introduced Home Affairs Australia New Zealand, and akekho umuntu oba nenkinga ngala when foreigners, white foreigners could have had access to ID, had access to vote and despite ukuthi abahlali like South Africa, no one had an issue ngalokho. But if it's black immigrants, then abantu khona bazoba nani nenkinga. Then athi thirdly, most of labantu laba who hate immigrants also hate abantu from eLimpopo naseMpumalanga. Goes back to the second point of Afrophobia, which is not just about disliking immigrants. Even if you are a South African, if you are from Mpumalanga, maybe you speak like a different language, in which language abangayithandi kakhulu yabo, maybe ukhuluma isiNdebele for example. Even though like you are a South African Ndebele, bazofuna discriminate or bapusha ama-stereotypes kuwe if ukhuluma ngasithi isiTsonga yabo, bazothi they use the word like amashangane nani. Then athi the last point yabo ukuthi this idea of EFF cannot even make compromises on this open border policy because it's a generational mission. Even nakhona they cannot lie to their voters claiming that they will not push open borders because that's dishonest and it's a betrayal to their voters. So nama points Gamelo, I partially agree now. However, like I do believe in a powerful united Africa. However, in our current circumstances, most of our African states are unstable, despite wars. Like laba abahlala in the same states nabo abancanywana. For example, eZimbabwe, Amashona namaNdebele, they dislike each other. There's discrimination based on tribe or based on kingdom. Nigeria, abawancane amafulane bawabiza ngama-colonialist. Ethiopia, there's a Tigray war, like a different state, a different tribe. Ethiopia is fighting another different tribe, or a different kingdom is fighting another kingdom in the same country. Understand? So even though they're in the same country, they cannot tolerate each other. So how is it so? If they cannot tolerate each other as abantu who have the same history, how can they tolerate us, Tina, abantu who are from a different place and we have a different history, different culture, different norms, and different way of doing things?